Hello everyone. Today's topic of discussion is AI driven decision making. First of all, let us know what is AI driven decision making. Artificial intelligence is being used to make decisions with the help of vast amount of data collected and also being trained to replicate the knowledge and reasoning methods of the experts. Now let us know what are the pros. It saves plenty of time for humans by analyzing vast amount of data and making decisions based on that. People cannot easily deduct conclusions from a large quantity of data. AI driven decision making is also being used to know the best possible treatment for certain types of cancers, which is different from different persons. This is helping doctors to make better decisions. So, it is very helpful in the medical field too. AI driven decisions are showing us ads based on our browsing history, purchasing behavior, etc. It is predicting our future behavior using the data. It is also helpful in understanding the customers better. This is helping the marketing industry. Humans tend to have biases and discriminations based on personal preferences. AI does not have that, so it can make accurate decisions. People face decision fatigue when they are overwhelmed with many decisions to make, but AI does not have that kind of issues. Now let us know what are the cons. AI do not have compassion and ethics, so it may take morally wrong decisions. Another disadvantage is that if the AI driven decision caused any damage, here comes a question: who will take the responsibility? Often, AI cannot explain why it took those decisions, so that results in lack of transparency. To conclude, AI takes care of analyzing vast amount of data and gives the simplified form of data, which can be used to make decisions better. AI driven decisions are already fetching lots of profit for businesses. But for now, human intervention is necessary to avoid implementing the wrong decisions. We cannot depend completely on AI driven decisions without human touch, at least not yet. Thank you for watching. Comment below what are your opinion on this topic and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more hot topics like this.